Hi, my name is Bruce Newsom. I'm with Arroyo Insurance Services, and I want to talk to you a little bit today about what we do and how what we do can benefit your organization. Many brokers are after your time, and so the question is, what makes us different? I'm glad you asked. What makes us different is the fact that not only do we specialize in affordable housing, but we also have the technical skill necessary to respond to your needs. The day of buying an insurance policy is over. You can't just buy an insurance policy and leave it. You need risk management services to go along with that. We bring the in-house risk management skill as a service to our client, and this is something that some brokers promise, but we don't promise it, we deliver it. And so this is something that brings a real true value to your organization.
When engineering the best practices model for your organization, we will first look at educational opportunities for your team to be sure that they have solutions on hand for those things that come up in their day-to-day work. For example, we're going to work with your asset management team and talk to them about the different exposures that they face across the portfolio. We're also going to work with your property management staff, especially those that are on site day to day, with identifying risk through things like daily inspections, as well as how to properly report an incident so that we are sure all of the facts have been gathered and the information conveyed to your office to better protect against a claim that may occur in the future. Having a volunteer program is a great way to further your mission. We realize that many organizations are currently trying to do more for their residents with fewer resources. So if you are incorporating volunteers into your day-to-day operations, we encourage you to be cautious, have a well-structured program, and evaluate your risks so that you are better protecting the organization as a whole. Another important educational piece of your risk management program is working with your development team. It's never too early to start, and whether we're talking about pre-development or the construction project itself, we should be talking about insurance as soon as possible.
One of the more important services we provide is contractual risk transfer. Simply stated, we don't want a contract to leave your office unless our eyes see it. And the reason for that is you might be signing an agreement from either an upstream party or downstream party, your lender, investor, contractor, or even service providers. And if you're signing their agreement, you're probably signing a form which takes liability upon your organization. And you may not even have insurance for that liability, so we don't want you to do that. We want to make sure that liability is transferred away from the organization in the agreement to the party who's responsible or should be responsible, and then make sure that they have the insurance necessary to back up that indemnity with the agreement. This is an important part of your risk management program, and it's something that we focus on to take that work off your desk for you.
Going through the experience of an insurance claim is difficult enough, and we don't want you to feel like you're going through that alone. When it comes to claims management, we are your advocate. We are involved from day one with your adjuster. We are reviewing the policy form to be sure that the coverage that you purchase is what you're getting in terms of the claim. And we're going to keep an eye on the timeline to make sure that things are moving along as quickly as possible to help you become whole again. Much of the claims process is centered on relationships, and we are fortunate enough to have dedicated adjusters from several of our insurance carrier partners that know how we work and what our expectations are so that your claim is handled most efficiently.
Every organization has a volunteer board of directors and officers. These are individuals who volunteer their time to support the mission of your organization and help provide governance. This is the one place where their personal assets can be at risk, so we have to take great care in crafting this coverage. You can't buy an off-the-shelf directors and officers policy anymore because these policies really are not crafted very well. I say often that an insurance company is not a philanthropic organization, and they're not really willing to give away coverage in the policy form unless you ask for it. There are 29 separate policy forms for directors and officers liability in the state of California, and every one of them is different entirely. And so it takes some specific technical expertise to craft these policies because they're tailored individually. So this is something that we bring to your organization, is this skill to help protect those who serve and volunteer their time for you.
It's very important to us that we give you direct access and daily interaction with the principals of the firm. We feel this is the best way for you to have immediate protection, advice, and information for your organization. Don't hesitate to call on us. As your risk management department, we typically find that we can provide you broader insurance coverage for less money and include our full suite of services at no additional charge. Arroyo Insurance Services is passionate about exceeding our customers' expectations 100% of the time. We can tell you all day how great we think we are, but really, our clients say it best. We would encourage you to go to our website and read their testimonials today.